If I gave you 24 hours to make your business look legitimate, not like a side hustle, not like a temporary page, but like a real brand, here's exactly what I would tell you to do. Legitimacy isn't about being big, it's about being structured. The first thing you do is secure your name. Buy your domain. If your business is called Amina Beauty, then aminabeauty.com should exist. When someone Googles your business, they shouldn't just find your Instagram page buried in results. They should find your website. That single step changes perception instantly. It communicates stability. It says this business is not temporary. It says this brand plans to stay. Next, build a clean, simple website. Not something complicated. Not something overloaded with animations and noise. Just something clear. A homepage that explains what you do. A section that outlines your services or products. A contact page with real details. No clutter, no confusion. No DM for price. When everything is organized in one place, people relax. They trust you more. Structure creates confidence. And today, building a website doesn't require coding or hiring a developer. With a platform like Alit, you can build and publish within hours. The barrier is no longer technical, it's just a decision. Then there's communication. Stop using a personal Gmail address for business. An email like info@yourbusiness.com feels different. It sounds established. It signals professionalism. It may seem small, but perception shifts in seconds. Here's the truth. Legitimacy isn't built on followers. It's built on infrastructure. In 24 hours, you can secure your name, build your website, and set up professional communication. And once that foundation is in place, something changes. You no longer look like a hustle trying to survive. You look like a brand that's built to grow. Don't just post, establish yourself.